Students, are you finding difficult in studying class 10th mathematics arithmetic progression? So, in this class, I am going to discuss the arithmetic progression chapter, that is called as in short AP, related chapter, 4 mark carrying questions. Okay, so this is one of the very crucial session, very important session, where we are going to solve only examination based related questions. We are not going to solve all the questions, only the examination based related questions only will be solved in this session. So without wasting much time, let's we start this class, and make sure that you are going to take a copy and make a note of the points what we are going to discuss here in this session. Okay, so you can consider this as a one shot video or marathon or very important class session, anything you can consider, because this is one of the best session for you in your life. Trust me, this will make the change in your percentage along with the marks. Clear? Okay. Now let me start the first question related to the chapter class 10th of arithmetic progression. The first question is here on the screen. The sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn is equals to 3n square plus 2n. Find the nth term of the progression. If this progression consists of 59 terms, then find the sum of the last 10 terms of the progression. Okay, look at your students. Now, this question only may come, or related to this question only will come. That is for sure. Solution. First, let me understand the question. See, especially when you are solving the problems related to 4 mark carrying questions or AP, first you read one line. From that sentence, what you have understood, first write the notes, make the points. First line, make the points. Second line, make the points. So that you will understand what you want to solve. Completely, if you read, completely you try to solve, you never get the solution. Remember this point. The first condition, what it's saying, the sum of first n terms of the progression, that is Sn. Sum of n term is Sn. Sn value they have given as 3n square plus 2n. This is the value of Sn they have given. Now, if they have given this, forget about the rest of the things. What has to be done? If they have given Sn, always in any problem, we want first term, we want common difference. Until unless you don't get first term and common difference, no question at all is there in mathematics in AP chapter. In mathematics, in AP chapter, you must have to get first term and common difference. Here they have not given the first term and common difference. In spite of that, they have given Sn condition. Now by using this Sn condition, if we substitute the value of n as 1, we get sum of first term. If you put n value 2, you get sum of two terms. What is the meaning of sum of first term? If you take only first term, that is sum of first term. What is meaning of sum of two terms? If you add first term and second term, that is the sum of two terms. Sum is what? Addition. Addition of both the terms is called as sum of the terms. फर्स्ट टर्म का आंसर सेकेंड टर्म का आंसर दोनों को ऐड करें तो उसको हम बोलते हैं सम ऑफ द टू टर्म्स. इसी तरह से फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म और थर्ड टर्म तीनों को ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सम ऑफ थ्री टर्म्स. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? हाँ. नाउ फर्स्ट we should do, once we see the word Sn, first what we have to do, this is the basic step we are supposed to do. First, let me take the value of n as 1. Now, s in place of n1 is equals to 3 in place of n1 square plus 2 in place of n1. That is 3. 1 square is 1 plus 2 ones are 2. That's nothing but 3 plus 2, that is 5. That is S1. Now, what is the meaning of S1? Sum of first term. So we can say that S1 is nothing but A1. The value is 5. If you want, you can highlight this. Similarly, the value of n is 2. We are assuming the value in place of n is 2. Then n place 2, 3, n is 2 square plus 2, n is 2. Then 3, 2 square, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. 3 fours are 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. That is sum of two terms. Now what is the meaning of sum of two terms? Sum of two terms means A1 plus A2. S2 means what? I'll solve here. What's the meaning of S2? S2 means A1 plus A2 is called as S2. Now already we got S2 value, isn't it? We have got the value of S2. S2 is what? 16. In place of S2 we can write 16 is equals to, already we know the value of first term is 5, isn't it? So here we can write A1 as 5 plus A2 as it is. Then 16 plus 5 come to the other side minus 5, that is equals to A2. Then A2 is equals to 16 minus 5 is 11. Now as you know, if you know first term, if you know second term, that's enough. Third term also you can find easily. Fourth term also you can find easily. Fifth term also you can find easily. But here we don't want first, second, third, fourth, fifth term. First and second you got enough. First term and second term, if you have got, that's sufficient. Yes.
S1 is A1.
Yes, S1 is A1.
S2 is
A1 plus A2. Sum of two terms.
A1 plus A2.
S2 means A1 plus A2. If you add two terms, S2. Add three terms, S3. Clear? By using that S2 condition, by using this S2 condition, we are finding A2. Okay, from here we have got first term and second term. Excuse me. Clear? Understood till here? Good. Now, see to the question. What they are asking? Find the nth term of the progression. They are asking us an. What they are asking? An. Nth term they are asking us to find. Clear? Now, therefore, first term is 5 and second term is 11. Then common difference, A2 minus A1, 11 minus 5, 6. We got. Now what they are asking? Find the nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Isn't it? What they are asking here? As we can see, they are asking here to find the nth term of the progression. Nth term is An. Just asking An. N value they have given? No. If they are not given n value, write n plus n only. Don't do anything. That is only the answer. Find the nth term. After that, what they are saying? If this progression consists of 59 terms, now after that, if n value, if you take 59, what answer you will get? पहले an के फॉर्म में आपको आंसर लिखना है. लिखने के बाद if the progression consists of 59 terms, अगर से प्रोग्रेशन में n equals 59 terms है, if that progression consists of 59 terms, then find the sum of last 10 terms. The total progression how much? Total means how many numbers are there? Totally we have 59 terms. 59 peoples are there. 59 number of terms are there. In that all the 59 terms, they are asking you to find the sum of last 10, not first 10 terms. Last 10 terms they are asking. Total 59 terms में से last के जो 10 terms हैं, उनको अगर से आप add करेंगे तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा? Yeah, I'll show you. Don't worry. Understood? Here two cases are there. First case is find the nth term. Is it 8? So to find the nth term, we have the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can say an plus an only. A is 5 plus n minus 1, d is 6. That's nothing but 5 plus 6n minus 6. 6n as it is, 5 minus 6 minus 1. So this is my final answer. We have stopped here. So this is my nth term. So nth term is 6n minus 1. Please write the steps clearly. This is first step. This is second step. This is third step. Show the steps properly. Till how much they have asked, we have done till there. Now the question is, if this term, if this series consists of 59 terms, देखो बेटा, in a first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and so on. Last, from here to here, we have 59 terms. Okay. Now the question is, they are asking us this last 10 terms, if we are going to add, what is the final answer? Last 10 terms we have to add, it seems. Not the total 59 terms we have to add. If it was total, we would have applied Sn formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have got the final answer. But they are not asking, find the sum of first 59 terms. See here. First 59 term is Sn formula. 1 to 59 means Sn formula. Direct formula. कौन से भी प्रॉब्लम में फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स, फर्स्ट 20 टर्म्स, फर्स्ट करके रहना है वर्ड. अगर से फर्स्ट 10 टर्म, फर्स्ट 15, फर्स्ट 20 ऐसा आया तो एसएन का फार्मूला अप्लाई करना. अब इसके अंदर वो फार्मूला नहीं है, वो फार्मूला है लेकिन डायरेक्ट हम उसको ऐसा यूज नहीं करेंगे. हाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? देखो बेटा, अब इधर से इधर टोटल कितने टर्म्स है? 59. करेक्ट नो? हाँ, अब हमें क्या करेंगे, इसे डिवाइड करेंगे. कैसा डिवाइड करेंगे बोले तो, ये पूरे 59 में से लास्ट के 10 टर्म्स नहीं है, 59 माइनस 10 49. अब एक काम करेंगे, पहले सम ऑफ टोटल 59 फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. ये पूरे 59 को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? वी फाइंड द टोटल 59. उसके बाद 59 माइनस 10 49. अब क्या करेंगे, ये जस्ट 49 टर्म्स को अलग से फाइंड आउट करेंगे. टोटल 59 टर्म में से ये 49 टर्म्स को रिमूव कर डाले तो द रिमेनिंग इज द लास्ट 10 टर्म्स. Understood? First we have to find sum of all 59 terms. Then separately you find sum of first 49 terms. In the total 59 terms, if you remove 49 terms, the left out is the rest 10 terms. This is how we have to find the sum of last 10 terms. Got it? Understood? Yeah. Now, nth term we got, no? N equals 6n minus 1. Okay. Now, in the next case, first we have to find sum of 59 terms. Am I right? This S59 is in the form of Sn. First you write the formula of Sn. We know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which we use to find Sn. Just direct substitution here. S59 is equals to 59 by 2 into 2. What is A? 5. First term? 5 plus N? 59 minus 1. D? 6. 59 and 2 can be cancelable? No, we can't cancel them. So keep them as it is if you can't cancel. 2 5s are 10. 59 minus 1? 58 into 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 5s are 30. Plus 4, 34. That is 348. Directly I have multiplied. Okay? Is this clear? Then 59 by 2 into 348 plus 10? 358. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 18. Can you multiply and tell me? 59 into 179? Answer? 59 into 179? 10,561. This is the sum of first 59 terms. Correct, no? Now, separately we find now sum of first 49 terms. Correct, no? Sum of first 49 terms. Same thing. 49 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 49 minus 1. D is 6. 49 by 2 as it is. 2 5s are 10 plus 49 minus 8. 48 into 6. 48 into 6. 288 plus 428. 288. Then 49 by 2 into 298. Right? 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 nines are. 49 into 149. 7301. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the sum of first 49 terms. Now we have to find, therefore, sum of last 10 terms. Sum of last 10 terms. That's nothing but S59 minus S49 is the sum of last 10 terms. Correct now? So S59 answer is 10,561 minus sum of first 49 term is 7,301. Now answer 3260. Yeah, this is our final answer. That's it.
63, sir. 60, sir.
Huh?
60, correct, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
3260?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So this is the final answer. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Whenever they give Sn, first you find A1, then you find S2. By using S2, find A2. When you know A1 and A2, you will get D. Then they are asking to find the nth term, An formula. In nth term, no n is there. Keep n plus n only. Sum of last 10 terms, totally we have 59 terms. In that 59 terms, they are asking 49, last 10 terms. So total 59. In 59, if we subtract 10, 49.
49.
In 59, sum of 59 minus sum of 49 will give us the last sum of last 10 terms from the 59 series. Yeah, next question. Number 2. Yeah. The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 42. If the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term of the progression is 1:3, then find the 13th term of the progression. It's very easy problem. Okay. As I said you, this is question number 2. See here. First we have to write one line. The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP, that is S6. Sum of first 6 term is S6 is 42. First case. Second line. If the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term, ratio means is 2. Ratio of which term? 10th term. Ratio of 10th term to the 30th term, that is A10 is to A30 is equals to 1:3. समझ में बेटा? The ratio of 10th term to the 30th term, that is A10 is to A30 is equals to 1:3. Now they are asking us to find the 13th term, that is A13. I said you one thing, remember, we want first term, we want common difference. To find that only they have given these all conditions. Yeah, first let me apply the first condition. From the first condition we know that S6 is in the form of Sn. S6, it is in the form of Sn. Okay. Sum of first 6 terms they have given. S6 means we have only one formula, n by 2. N we know. We know. 1 minute. Shall we apply Sn? First write Sn formula. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, n is S6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So S6, what is n? 6 by 2. 2a we don't know. Plus n 6 minus 1. Excuse me. D we don't know. Keep it as it is. Now what is the value of S6? S6 means 42 is equals to 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 5d. Now 42 divided by 3, can we cross multiply 3?
Yes.
42 by 3 is equals to 2a plus 5d. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now we can write 2a plus 5d is equals to 14. This is my equation 1. Any doubts? This is my equation 1. So after getting this, can you see they have given the ratio A10 is to A30? They have given the ratio, no, A10 is to A30. A10, it is in the form of an. One time you write the formula. We know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our nth term formula. Now this ratio, first I will convert into proportion form. So A10 by A30 is equals to, instead of 1 is to 3, I am going to write that as 1 by 3. Ratio into proportion. A is to B can be written as A by B. So A10 is to A30 can be written as A10 by A30. Now A10, we have a shortcut formula. Remember, n plus 10, A plus n plus 10 minus 1d. So it's nothing but A plus 10 minus 1, 9d. This is our shortcut formula. Remember, A10 means A plus 9d. Here if you write 10, here you should write 9. Only one number less. Remember?
Yes.
अब A25 है बेटा. A25 can be written as A plus 24d. And 25 है तो है 24. एक number less. Okay. Shall we apply this logic now? Yeah. Now, A10 can be written as A plus 9d. A30 is A plus 29d is equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. 3 into A plus 9d is equals to 1 into A plus 29d. 3 into A, 3A, plus 3 nines are 27d. 1 into A, 1A, plus 1 into 29, 29d.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, observe here. We'll take A terms one side, D terms other side. Now 3A plus A come this side, minus A is equals to 29d, plus 27 come this side, minus 27d. So 3A minus 1A, 2A is equals to 29 minus 27.
2D.
That is 2D. 2 get cancelled,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Now the value of A is equals to the value of D. It means that A and D both are equal. A and D both are equal. Now look at here in equation 1. We have done equation 1. What is equation 1? 2A plus 5D is equals to 14. Yes or no? In place of A you write A. In place of D also we can write A because A is equals to D. Yes or no? A is equals to D. Can we substitute that A is equals to D, or in place of A you write D, or in place of D you write A? Anything as you wish. So 2A plus 5D is equals to 14. 2A plus 5D is equals to 14. Okay, now I am going to apply that step. We know that from equation 1, 2A plus 5D is equals to 14. 2, in place of A write D. In place of A I am writing D, plus 5D is equals to 14. That is 2D. Correct, no? Better. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay. 2D plus 5D is equals to 14. Isn't it? 2D plus 5D. 7D is equals to 14. So D is equals to 14 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. The value of D is 2. The value of D is 2. Clear? Understood? Now once we got the value of D, can we find A now? Again from the same equation 1. Isn't it? Huh. Now in place of D, you write 2. Then 2A plus 5. D is 2 is equals to 14. 2A plus 5 twos are 10 is equals to 14. 2A is equals to 14 minus 10. So 2A is equals to 4. A is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. The value of A is 2. A is equals to D. Good. Okay. Like that also we can say if D is equals to 2, therefore we can say A is equals to D. That is also is equals to 2. So this implies A is equals to 2. So this is what the verification I have done. How A is 2. Directly you can write here. If D is 2, then A is also 2. Now what actually they were asking here to find? Find the 13th term. Am I right? What they were asking? 13th term. Therefore, 13th term A13 can be written as A plus 12D. A is 2 plus 12. D is 2. So 2 plus 12 twos are
26, sir.
12 twos are 24.
26, sir.
12 twos are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So now we can say that the 13th term is 26. Any doubts? My dear students, we are recording this class today. That is today which day? Friday. Yeah, Friday. It's morning hour. So just now the time is 1:41 a.m. Huh? Phone. Huh. So now the time is 1:41 a.m. Okay. So all coaching center students are sitting here in the class till morning 6 a.m. So today is a marathon live session for our offline students. So we are recording certain things so that it will be helpful for other students. Certain things are recordable and certain things are not recordable in the class. So please utilize this opportunity to learn from Shah Sir classes, that is Evershine Coaching Center. The next question, number 3. In an AP, that is Arithmetic Progression, the sum of 4th term and 8th terms is 24 and sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the AP. This is important. Whenever you see the word find the AP, determine AP means we have to find the standard form. Standard form is what? First term, second term, third term, comma, so on. So that is called as find the AP. And also find the 25th term of the progression. They are asking 25th term also. It's very easy. In next 2 or 3 minutes, you can solve this problem. See here. In an AP, sum of 4 terms. In an AP, the sum of, sorry, not sum of 4 terms, excuse me. It is not sum of 4 terms. This is sum of 4th term and 8th term. Sum means plus. Yeah. Please, here most of them will get, most of them will do confusion here. They'll see sum of 4th term means they say S4. That is sum of 4 terms. This is sum of 4th term. Sum of first 4 terms is different. Sum of 4th and 8th term is different. समझ में बेटा? 4th term और 8th term को add करे तो that is called as sum of 4th and 8th term. The sum of 4th and 8th term, that is 24. Understood? 4th term के आंसर को और 8th term के आंसर को add किए तो हमारे को 24 मिल रहा है. We get 24. And sum of 6th term and 10th term. 6th term and 10th term we should add. We get 44. Now they are asking us to find AP. And also they are asking us to find the 25th term. That is A25. Okay. First let me take the case. Shall we apply our logic? Yes. What is A for? A plus 3D. A plus 3D plus A plus 8th term. A plus 7D is equals to 24. Yeah. No, we have to add A with A term, D with D term. 1A plus 1A, 2A. 3 plus 7, 10D is equals to 24. Can we take 2 as common? 2 and 10, 2 as common. A plus 5D is equals to 24. Now A plus 5D is equals to 24 by 2. Now this 2 will comes down, cross multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So A plus 5D is equals to 12. This is our equation 1. Any doubts? No. Understood? Yes. Yeah. Now what is the second case? A6 plus A10. Shall we write? Now A6 can be written as 6th term can be written as A plus 5D. A10 can be written as A plus 9D is equals to 44. Can we add A with A?
Yes.
1a plus 1a, 2a. 5 plus 9, 14d is equals to 44. Can we take 2 common?
Yes.
A plus 2 into a, 2a. 2 sevens are 14 is equals to 44. Isn't it? Now, a plus 7d is equals to 44 divided by 2. 2 cross multiply. Can we cross multiply 2?
Yes.
This 2 will comes down. Now 2 ones are 2 22s are. So a plus 70 is equals to 22. This is equation 2. Now can we solve equation 1 and 2? Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 is a plus 5d is equals to 12. A plus 5d is equals to 12. A plus 7d is equals to 22. Elimination.
Yes, sir.
See A. So we can change the sign. Plus A minus A. Cancel. 5 minus 7 minus 2D. 12 minus 22 minus 10. 22 minus 12 is 10. Excuse me. 22 minus 12 is 10. Minus minus cancel. D is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So therefore the value of D is 5. Now this value of D we can substitute in any of the equation, but always try to prefer which is the least equation, which is having the least numbers, lowest numbers. Okay, which one shall we take? Shall we take A plus 5D?
Yes.
Okay, therefore we know that A plus 5D is equals to 12. So A plus 5, D is 5 is equals to 12. A plus 5 into 5, 25 is equals to 12. Okay. Now A is equals to 12 minus 25. A is equals to minus 25 minus 12
Minus 13.
minus 13. So this is the value of A.
Yes.
D is 5. D is 5. A is minus 13. Am I right?
Yes.
So what they are asking, find the determine the AP they are telling no. So therefore the AP is, shall we substitute the values? First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, and so on. First term is A, A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, isn't it?
Yes.
Now substitute. What is A? Minus 13. A minus 13 plus D is 5. A minus 13 plus 2 into D is 5 and so on.
Yes, sir.
Then minus 13. 5 minus 13 minus 12.
Minus 12 is sir.
Sorry, 13 no?
Minus 8, sir.
Minus 8. Yeah, 5 to the 10. 10 minus 13
Minus 3.
minus 3 and so on. So we got the AP. And along with AP, what they are asking us to find?
A now 25.
Find the
A
system.
25.
25th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are asking us to find the 25th term.
Yes.
Now shall we write? Therefore, A25 can be written as A plus 24D. A plus
A plus
24D. What is A? Minus 13.
13.
Plus 24 into D is 5. Substitute. Then minus 13 plus 5 fours are 20. 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12. 120 minus 13. 10 minus 7 3 0 1. So the answer is 107. So this is the 25th term. That's it. I hope you have understood how to solve this problem. Yeah. The next question is here on the screen. Let me solve this problem. Yeah. Girls, pay attention. An arithmetic progression consists of 4 terms. Consists of 4 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. It has 4 terms. Okay. Whose sum is 32. If you are going to add these 4 terms, answer is 32. Next. The ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of second and third term is 7 is to 15. Then find the terms of the progression. Okay. An AP consists of 4 terms. How many terms are there? 4 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4. whose sum is, if you are going to add those all the terms, if you are going to add all those four terms, I'll give you one logic. Remember this logic. देखो बेटा, अगर से उन्होंने थ्री टर्म्स कर को बोले, क्या बोले? थ्री टर्म्स. फर्स्ट यू राइट ए, a minus d, a plus d. This is three terms. बेटा लिखने के टाइम में इन्हें फर्स्ट, इन्हें सेकेंड और ए थर्ड लिखने के टाइम पर लिखे के बाद आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, this is second term, and this is third term. Please understand this logic. Clear? If it is three terms, if they say sum of three terms, first you write center a, left में a minus d, right में a plus d. Understood? I hope you remember carbon and its compounds.
Yes, sir.
In carbon and its compounds, here if you write h, here also we should write h. Top if you write, bottom also we should write. Remember that logic?
Yes, sir.
It is similar to that. देखो बेटा, लेफ्ट में a माइनस डी है तो राइट में a प्लस डी आना, उसका बराबर ऑपोजिट. इधर a प्लस डी है तो इधर a माइनस डी रहना. इफ इट इज थ्री टर्म्स, इन केस इफ इट इज फोर टर्म्स, लेफ्ट में रहा तो राइट में भी रहना है. सो फोर टर्म्स को मैं क्या करेंगे? a माइनस डी, a प्लस डी, a माइनस टू डी, a प्लस टू डी. It's opposite. A minus d, a plus d. A minus 2d, a plus 2d. If it is five terms, a minus d, a plus d. A minus 2d, a plus 2d. This is the five terms. This is the logic you have to maintain. Understood the logic? See, if we are what they are asking, find three terms, four terms, five terms. Based on that condition, we have to apply that logic.
Yes, sir.
Clear? An AP consists of four terms. They are saying four terms are there. So shall we write? Let the first four terms let the first four terms be okay. A minus d, a plus d, a minus 2d, a plus 2d. Okay. Done. Now what they are saying? Consists of four terms whose sum is 32. Means we should add its sims. All these four terms we have to add. That is a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d. Answer is 32.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 32. Plus d minus d cancel. Plus 2d minus 2d cancel. Now left out is 1a plus 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a. 4a is equals to 32. A is equals to 32 by 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 8 the 32. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Now we can say that the value of A is 8. We got. Now what is the second condition they have given here? What they are asking us to find? Next condition. देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़े तो फर्स्ट लाइन के बारे में इतना इंफॉर्मेशन मिले. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट कंडीशन इज व्हाट? द रेशियो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रेशियो. सी हियर, आई विल राइट हियर. रेशियो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म. रेशियो का मतलब क्या? A1 is to, that is ratio. Ratio of the ratio is there. Ratio of the product of first term and last terms. Last term का तो कौन? Fourth term. है तो four terms ना. रेशियो है. रेशियो किस किस का? प्रोडक्ट. पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना कहते हैं. किसे मल्टीप्लाई करना? फर्स्ट टर्म विथ फोर्थ टर्म. लास्ट टर्म इज फोर्थ टर्म हियर. This value and last term to the, sorry, the ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of second term and third term. That is A3. Understood the condition?
Yes, sir.
Ratio is equal to product means multiplication. किसे किसे multiply करना? A1 A4 A1 into A4 की वैल्यू को A2 और A3 की वैल्यू को रेशियो करना. A1 into A4 is to A2 into A3 is equals to 7 is to 15. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The ratio of the product of first term and fourth term, that is last term, to the product of second term and third term is 7 is to 15. Now they are asking find the terms A1, A2, A3, A4 value. They are asking us to find. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now can we apply that condition ratio? Yeah. Now we can write here according to the given condition. Therefore, A1 into A4 is to A2 is to A3. A2 into A3, correct? No,
215.
is equals to 7 is to 15.
Yes, sir.
Now ratio can we convert into proportion?
Yes, sir.
A1 into A4 by A2 into A3 is equals to 7 by 15. Done?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Please observe here. Now according to this problem, this is my first term.
Yes.
This is my second term. This is my third term. This is my fourth term. Now one question arises. Sir, can I write first A plus D? Next, can I write A minus D? Correct. अब यहाँ A minus D, यहाँ A plus D लिखेंगे बेटा. अभी A plus D को इधर लिखो, A minus D को इधर लिख सकती हैं क्या? One doubt. Can we write? No. The reason is, I'll tell you. In axis system, first we write negative numbers, then we write positive numbers. So first you have to show minus, then you have to show plus. Understood or not? Yeah. Now according to this case, this is my first term. This is my second term. This is fourth term. Don't write first term A1 as A. No. Here A1 is A minus 2D. Second term A2 is A minus D. Third term A3 A plus D. Fourth term A4 A plus 2D. अबे substitute करना. Understood?
Yes.
Understood? Yeah. Now can you tell me what is A1?
A minus 2D.
A minus 2D into A4
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Wow. Something we are getting interesting. A2 A minus D. A3 A plus D is equals to 7 by 15. Now, my dear students, as you can see, okay. Okay. Now you can see here our numerator A minus 2D, A plus 2D. Yeah. It's in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A, both the side A, both the side 2D, 2D. So it's in the form of A plus B into A minus B. It's in the form of A plus B into A minus B. We know that A plus B into A minus B can be written as A square minus B square. Shall we apply? A square minus B. B is 2D whole square. A square minus B square by again A minus D into A plus D is A square minus B square is equals to 7 by 15. Now A square minus 2 square 4 D square by A square minus D square is equals to 7 by 15. Okay. Now can we cross multiply? That is 15 into a square minus 4d square is equals to 7 into a square minus d square. No, 15 into a square, 15a square minus 15 for the 60d square is equals to 7 into a square minus 7 into d square. Can we take a terms one side and d terms to the other side? Then 15a square minus 7a square is equals to 60d square minus 7d square. Plus 7 minus 60 plus 60. 15 minus 7, 8 a square. 60 minus 7, 53 d square. Am I right? Huh. Now we got the condition. Let me to go up. What is the value of a? Excuse me. The value of a is 8. Now can we substitute in place of a as 8? Now we are going to substitute in the place of a 8. Yeah. In place of a, we have to substitute 5 is equals to 53 d square. Now 8 into 5 square is 25. 53 d square. Now 8 into 25 divided by 53 is equals to d square. As we can see, this 8 will not divide by 53 or 25 also will not divisible by 53. Now as you can see, we are getting the answer in fraction. One thing, we are getting the answer in fraction. Second thing is we don't get the square root also because d square answer is this. We want d value. D means square, we have to shift this side. So it becomes square root. At that case, in that scenario, what you are supposed to do is, in any case, if you find this kind of step, you have to come back to the problem. Here you need to do a small change. What is that small change is? Look at here, excuse me. Instead of a minus 2d, you are supposed to take a minus 3d. Instead of a plus 2d, here you should take a plus 3d. This is the change you are supposed to do. Actually, what we have shown you, that method only you should do. In any way, if you get, in any step, if you find this type of error, then you have to assume, you have to change our assumption. Clear? Now, instead of, okay, here we have to write a minus 3d. Instead of plus 2d, we should write a plus 3d. Anyhow, this remains same only. This will not affect here as of now. Plus 3d minus 3d get cancelled. Understood? So a value is 8. It is correct only. You understood my point. But here it will change. Where? See, now a1 is what? A minus 3d. Where all we wrote a minus 2d? There we should write a minus 3d. Where all we wrote a plus 2d? There all we have to write a plus 3d. 2 we have to make it as 3. 2 we should write as 3. Yeah. Yeah. So here we should write minus 3d. Here we have to write plus 3d. Am I right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Again, here 3d. Correct no? 3d square. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Rest all steps remain same. Rest all the steps remain same. So a square minus, instead of 4, what will come here? 3 square, 9d square. Correct no? A square minus 3d whole square. A square as it is, 3 square is 9d square. Is this clear? Now, here what will become? 9. Clear?
Yes.
Now from here, a bit the values will change. Correct no? Isn't it?
Yes.
No. 15 into a square minus 9d square is equals to 7 into a square minus d square. Now 15 into a square
15 square.
minus 15 nines are
135 d square.
135 d square. 7 into a square 7a square minus 7d square.
Yes, sir.
Now
15 square.
Can we take a terms one side and constant term other side?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That also we can do. And one more thing we can do. From this part we can take 15 common. From this part we can take 7 common.
Yes, sir.
But don't do that. 15 a square, keep it as it is. Plus 7 come this side, minus 7 a square. Minus 135 come this side, plus 135 d square, minus 7 d square. 15 minus 7,
15 minus 7.
8 a square. 135 minus 7,
128.
128
D square.
d square. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, can we substitute here the value of a?
Yes.
The value of a is 5.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We can substitute now.
Yes.
The value of a 5. We know that a is equals to 5. Square is equals to 128 d square. 8 into 25 is equals to 128 d square. 25 is
200.
200 is equals to 128 d square. Then 200 divided by 128 is equals to d square. See, whenever you get this kind of calculation, no, you can do working column, you can do calculation, main answer you can write here.
Yes.
If not, it becomes ugly here. That's the reason. 128, right? 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 minute. 2 10s are 20, 6 0. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 0. 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 25s are. Okay, keep the answer there itself. D square is equals to 25 by 16. Don't divide, keep it as it is. D is equals to square root of 25 by 16. What is square root of 25? 5. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The value of 25 is 5. Root 16 is 4. The value of D is 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Children, what is the value of A? 8. The value of A is 8, right?
Yes.
You should say me, no? We have taken 5. We have to write 8 here. The value of A, not 5. It is 8. 8 8 is 64. What you all are slept? Yeah, excuse me. No. 8 into 64. 8 into 64. 512. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 512 divided by 128 is equals to d square. 128 ones are 128 twos are. Sorry, 128 fours are. 128 4 is 512. D square is equals to 4. Now we can say D is equals to not this calculation. So we can write D is equals to square come this side square root of 4. Actually it is plus or minus 4 plus or minus square root, but always we prefer positive. So it is plus root. So D is equals to plus 2. Clear? हेलो बोलो खड़ा एक साथ फोन करें yeah we got A and D.
Yes, sir.
Now we can write therefore the first 4 terms are A minus 3D. Next was A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Now just we need to substitute this value.
8 minus
A is 8 minus 3 into 2, 8 minus 2. A is 8 plus D is 2. A is 8 plus 3 into D is 2. 8 minus 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 2 6. 8 plus 2 10. 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 2. 6 10 14. So these are the first 4 terms as per the given condition. That's it. I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, question number 5.
A book contain.
A book contains 432 pages. So, total number of pages in a book is 432. A student wants to read fixed number of pages of the book daily. Fixed number of pages means common difference. He reads 25 pages on the first day. So 25 pages in the first day means the first term is 25. From the next day onwards, he decides to read 2 pages more than what he read on the previous day. So every time he is increasing 2 pages. Today, example, he referred how many pages? 25. Next day, he will read 27. 2 pages more. Again, next day, 2 pages more. Again, next day, 2 pages more. And goes on. I think you got the clarity. You got the hint what exactly this question speaks about. By using formula, find how many pages he will read on 12th day. On 12th day, how many pages he is going to read? 12th day means 12th term. Clear? Here day is nothing but term. How many pages he will read on 12th day, and also find the number of days the student takes to read the book completely. If you want to read this all 432 pages, then how many days he is going to take? It's very beautiful question. Okay. Now let me proceed step by step. According to the question, he has given 432. What is this 432? All pages in the book. Total pages in the book. That is sum of n terms. Sum of n pages. All the pages. That is 432. And he is reading. He reads 25 pages on the first day. So first term is 25. From the next day onwards, he decides to read 2 pages more. That is common difference. D is 2.
Yes, sir.
And now he is asking how many pages he read on the 12th day. He is asking 12th term. A12. And apart from that, he is asking find the number of days he takes. Means he is asking you to find the value of n. In Sn. In total Sn, find the value of n. Understood? Now, let me study one by one. They have given Sn.
Yes, sir.
Sn value.
Yes, sir.
Even though they have given the Sn value, shall we use Sn formula? Sn is equals to n by 2. 1 minute. Later we do Sn. Wait. First they are asking 12th term, no? Because we know A and D. So it is easy for us to find the 12th term. So An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Yeah. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 12th term A12 can be written as A plus 11D. First term 25 plus 11 D is 2. That is 25 plus 22. That's nothing but 47. So 12th term is 47. Now you can comment here. Therefore, therefore, on 12th day, he reads 47 pages. You have to comment. Correct, no? How many pages he reads on 12th day?
47.
He is going to read 47 pages. Okay, next case. What is the next case? Also find the number of days he takes to read the book completely. Am I right?
Yes.
So shall we use Sn formula now? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Yes. Sn. What is the value of Sn? 432. N value we know? We don't know. Keep it n as it is. N by 2. 2 into a is 25 plus n we don't know. As it is, the value of d is 2. Children, be careful with this step. Again, I am repeating. Here you have to be very cautious because this problem is not so simple as how you are going to think. I'll tell you the reason. Now cross multiply 432 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 864 is equals to n into 25 into 2 50 plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 ones are 2. So 864 is equals to n into 50 minus 2 48 plus 2n. Now 864 is equals to n into 48 48n plus 2 as it is n into n square. Now we got highest power 2. We got power 2. Since we got the power 2, okay, it's a quadratic polynomial. So you can write 2n square 48n. But still what I say, देखो बेटा, ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करने से पहले देखो कहते भी कॉमन निकला तो कॉमन निकालो, कितना हो सकता है इक्वेशन को छोटा बनो, हाउ मच इट्स पॉसिबल ट्राई टू reduce the equation so that it will be easy for you to split the middle term. Anyhow, it is confirmed. We get a quadratic equation. We have to use factorization. Whenever in any problem, if we get highest power 2, it means it is a quadratic equation. We have to use factorization method. We have to use splitting the middle term. Power 2 आगा confirm. It is quadratic equation. समझ में एक बात? हाँ. अब हमें ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, but still reduce करना तो हमें क्या कर सकते हैं? 864. We can take 2 as common. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. N. Correct no? Plus n square. Plus n square. Can we take? Then 864. This 2 will come down. 864 by this 2 will come down is equals to 24n plus n square. Done? Yeah. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Correct no? Now can we write in standard form? N square plus 24n plus 432 come this side minus 432 is equals to 0. We got the quadratic equation.
432 n square.
Yeah. Put working column. Multiply first term with last term. Multiply first term with last term. Plus into minus minus. N square into 432. 432 n square. Now in which tables do we get 432? We don't know. Correct no?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you the logic. Listen here the logic. How to find such type of numbers? Multiples. Condition 1. अगर से ये जो वैल्यू है 432, if that number is below 100, take below 10 tables. 10 tables के अंदर लेना, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 कौन सा भी ले सकते। अगर से ये वैल्यू 100 के ऊपर है, then you have to take about 10 tables. Like 11 ones are 12 13 14 15, that tables we have to take. That is the first condition. Second condition, देखो बेटा, see here, write 432, take LCM. हाँ, अब इसमें LCM भी कैसा लेना मालूम? Listen here carefully. अब इसमें LCM लेना, वो LCM भी ऐसा रहना कि 5 6 7 8, like we have done prime factorization, no, like that it should not be there. Within 2 or 3 steps you should get the answer. 2 या 3 step में आंसर मिलेगा. So if you have to take the LCM in that way. Anyhow, 432, does it goes with 12 tables? Because I said no, about 10 tables we should take.
Yes.
432 12 के tables में जाता है. Check.
Yes, sir.
In 12 tables will you get this? 12 3s are 36. 43 minus 36.
7. 22.
How much? Okay, ठीक है. अब ऐसा नहीं मिल रहा. No worries. When Shah Sir is here, no need to get fear. Okay, we'll take 2 only. Better take. But adjust कर लीजिए. 2 2s are 4. Correct? 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. हाँ, अब तक भी मिलता.
Yes, sir.
Which tables? 3 tables. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. Again here, 8 9s are 72. We got these factors. Now see the beauty of maths.
Yes.
Condition. देखो बेटा condition clean से सुनो. Now the condition is, अब हमने सेंटर में कौन होना बेटा? What is the middle term we should get? 24n. हमने 24 आना. नहीं, अब एक काम करो, ये दो नंबर्स को एक पेयर बनाओ और ये दो नंबर्स को एक पेयर बनाओ, चेक करो दो को भी आंसर मिलता क्या? 3 2 सा 6, 8 9 सा 72, 72 plus 6 is 24.
No, sir.
No. 72 minus 6 is 24. No. Okay, no worries. ये 3 होगा नहीं?
36
अब एक काम करो, अब ये 4 में से दो को दो नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना. Shall we take 8 and 2, 9 and 3? 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are
8 2s are, sir.
sorry, 8 2s are
16.
16, 9 3s are
27.
27.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
36 and minus 2.
Huh? Which
No,
one?
sir. 36 and 12. 36 12.
36?
12. Yes, sir. 36 into 12.
Which 36?
36 into 12, sir. 36 into 12, 432, sir. And minus
Here, where is 36?
उसमें नहीं sir.
Here. In this answer only we should get. Okay, let me take 3 3s are 9.
Sir.
3 3s are 9. Now can you reduce? Can you just take, that's what I said you. If you take this number of numbers, no, it will be difficult. If you 2 or 3 steps, if you take, it will be easy for you. That's what the reason I said. But still, you have to manage. अब इसके अंदर हमें क्या करना? Pairs करना. We have to do pairing here. 3 3s are
9.
9. 9 2s are 18. 8 3s are 24. We want 24 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Any other?
Shortcut method, sir.
Huh?
Shortcut.
That's what, for shortcut only I said you.
What's the
See, for shortcut itself I suggested 432 was the number.
Yes.
Take such a number about 10 tables where we get 432
12.
or nearest to 432.
12 threes are 12.
12 3s are
36.
36. Correct, no?
Yes.
43 minus 36. 13 minus 6.
13 minus 6 is equals to 7, sir.
7. 72.
12 6 or 32.
12 6 are
32.
1 minute. 36 minus 12.
24.
That's all the answer.
What answer, so
That's what I shown you first. If you take that kind of numbers, also we will get. But if you take about 10 tables like this, directly you will get. That's the difference. Understood? No?
sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what we can do? Yeah.
Sir.
So can we write here
Yes.
12 and 36? N. Now,
Yes.
what is the middle term sign?
Plus.
Plus. For bigger number, put plus.
Right.
Plus into minus, minus. 36 minus 12 is 24.
Yes.
So n square plus
36.
36n minus 12n minus 432 is equals to 0. Now do the pairing. N is common. N plus 36. N plus 36 write as it is. Outside write minus 12 is equals to 0. Now outside term n minus 12. Inside term n plus 36 is equals to 0. N minus 12 is equals to 0. N, yeah, don't repeat. Don't repeat. N plus 36 is equals to 0. Now we can write n is equals to 12. N is equals to minus 36, but always we prefer positive number. Yeah, final comment. What he has asked, find the number of days he takes to complete the entire book. He takes 12 days to complete the entire book. That's the final answer.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood this problem. Yeah. Next, question number 6 is on the screen. कंप्यूटर जी सवाल दिखाइए. Observe. The 10th term of an AP is 2. more than 3 times of the first term, and the eighth term is 6 more than twice the first term. Find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. As soon we saw the question, we are getting a mild heart attack. No worries. When Shah Sir is here, no need to get fear. Excuse me. Solution. The 10th term of an AP, that is A10. The 10th term of an AP is equals to 1 minute. 2 more than means plus. More means positive. That is plus. Add. 2 more than 3 times means 3 into 3 times the first term, that is 3 into A1. Again I am repeating, the 10th term A10 is 2 more than 3 times the first term, 3 into A1. First case. Second, eighth term is A8 is equals to 6 more than twice its first term. 2 twice means double. 2 into A1. 2 into, you write 2 into A1 or you write just 2A1, both are same. Okay. Next, find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. How many number of terms will make Sn? They have given Sn as 540. How many terms? Means they are asking us to find the value of n. Any doubts? My dear students, the problem how you see, it's not so easy. Observe here. But still it is very easy. Okay, first condition, A10. A10 can be written as A plus 90 is equals to 2 plus 3 into A1 is A only. A1 means what? First term. First term is A. Now, A as it is, plus 3A comes this side, minus 3A is equals to, okay, 1 minute. Let me keep A and D terms one side. A plus 90 as it is, plus 3A comes this side, minus 3A is equals to 2. Now, 1A minus 3A minus 2A plus 9D is equals to 2. Equation 1. Understood? Now, second case, A8. A8 can be written as A plus 70 is equals to 6 plus 2 into A1 is A. Then A plus 70 plus 2A comes this side, minus 2A is equals to 6. A minus 2A is minus 1A plus 70 is equals to 6. Equation 2. Equation 2. Now, observe here. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, minus 2A plus 90 is equals to 2, minus A plus 70 is equals to 6. In elimination, as we know that both the terms should be same and one should be positive, other one should be negative, then only we can cancel them. But here it is 2A, but here is 1A. Both are not same. 1 minute. Both are not same. First condition. Second, here is 90, here is 70. Both are not same. But at least one term should get cancelled. Either A should get cancelled or D should get cancelled. But here both are not getting cancelled. And anyhow, artificially we want to make them to get cancelled. So what I am going to do, this equation 2, I am going to multiply this by 2. Because this is 2A, I will make this also as 2A. So this entire equation, I am going to multiply this with 2. If we are going to multiply equation 1 as it is, minus 2A plus 90 is equals to 2 as it is, 2 into minus A, that is minus 2A, plus 2 sevens are 14D, 2 6 are 12. Now this minus should make it as plus, this is minus and this is minus. Now plus 2A minus 2A get cancelled, right? In 9, Zara, can we subtract in 9 14? No, right? Very good. So minus 14 minus 9 is 5D is equals to 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Minus minus cancel because both are equal sign while we are equating. Now we got to know the value of D. So D is equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. The value of D is 2. We got the value of D. Now we did the value of A. So in any of the equation we can substitute. So first the simple equation is which one? Equation 2. What is equation 2? Minus A plus 7D is equals to 6. Minus A plus 7D is equals to 6. Now we can say therefore from equation 2 minus A plus 7D is equals to 6. I hope you remember this. Equation 2 here. Can you see this? Which I have highlighted, minus A plus 7D is equals to 6. That one. Okay. Now in this equation, in the place of D, we will substitute 2. In the place of D, we are going to substitute 2. Now minus A as it is plus 7 into D is 2 is equals to 6. Minus A plus 7 twos are 14 is equals to 6. Minus A is equals to 6 plus 14 minus 14. Minus A equals 6 minus 14 minus 12. Minus minus get cancelled. So the value of A is 12. We got the value of A. So we got 6 minus 14 8. So the value of A is 8. Yeah, minus A equals minus 8. Minus minus gets cancelled. So A is equals to 8. We got A. We got D. Now what is the question is asked here? Find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. Correct now? So we need N. We need to find N. So shall we apply Sn formula here? We are going to apply Sn formula. Therefore, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Navya, can you tell me what is Sn? Sn value, sum of n terms? Yeah, it is 540 is equals to n by 2. N we don't know. 2 into, what is the value of A? Just now we got? 8. Sure?
Yes.
Yeah, 8. Plus n we don't know. Minus 1. What is the value of D? 2. Children, are you sleeping? Very good. Still the time is 3:13. That's all. Okay. Observe. Yeah. Now, multiply 540 into 2. 0, 8, 10. N into 8 twos are 16 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now, excuse me. 1080 is equals to n into 16 minus 2 is 14 plus 2n. 1080 equals n into 14, 14n plus 2n square. I said you one thing. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. 1080 equals, we can take 2 common. 7, 2 sevens are 14 plus n square. Because already 2 we have taken common. Now 1080 divided by 2 is equals to 7n plus n square. Now 1080 divided by 2. Oh, we got the same thing. 540. 540 is equals to 7n plus n square. Now let me make it a quadratic equation. N square plus 7n minus 540 is equals to 0. We got the quadratic equation. Now we need to reduce this quadratic equation. That is my plus into minus minus 540 n square. In which tables do we get 540? We don't know. Then apply our logic. Shah Sir tip 540. Above 100? Take about 10 tables. Shall we take 12 tables? Check it with 12. Does it goes? 12 fours are 48. 54 minus 48. 14 minus 8. 6 means 60. 12 5s are 60. Correct now? 12 5s are 60. Again 45 and 12 again can we reduce?
Sir, 20, sir, we should say. 20 no, sir, because 60 is not there. 40.
12 fours are 48.
48.
54 minus 48. 6. 0 is there. So 60. 12 5s are 60. Next is 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are now can we take the pairing? This two one pair, this one pair check.
45. 12.
Does it comes? 12 5s are
12.
sorry 5 9s are
45.
45 and 12. 45 minus 12.
33.
5 minus 2.
3. 33.
3. 4 minus 1 3. 33.
1.
We are not getting.
20, sir, we should take.
1 minute. Now what we can do? 12 and 9 and 5. Does it goes?
108 plus 108.
No, 7. 7 is the middle term. We want 7. Correct no?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Huh? 3 3s are 9. Okay. Take one more factor if you want. Check now. 5 3s are 12 3s are 36. 36 minus 15.
Yeah, sir.
6 minus 5.
21.
21. We are not getting any other factor. Any other number? Check. Yeah.
Ending number 0, no, 540.
Ending number is 0.
Yes, sir. You can take the 20.
We can take
20.
20. Last number is 0. It's a multiple of 5.
Yes, sir.
20.
25. 20 to the 20 to the
20.
40.
2s are 40.
Yes, sir.
22s are
140.
40.
140.
Remainder
140.
140. 26 are
27. 27.
27s are yeah 2 sevens are 14. 140. 20 and 27 we got.
27 minus 20. 27.
27 minus 27. So we can write 27 and 20 are our factors. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now middle term n middle term plus, so bigger number plus into minus minus. N square plus 27n minus 20n minus 540 is equals to 0. Pairing n into n plus 27, n plus 27. Here n comes means what is left out outside minus 20 is equals to 0. Outside n minus 20, inside n plus 27 is equals to 0. Correct? Then n minus 20 is equals to 0. N plus 27 is equals to 0. N is equals to plus 20. N is equals to minus 27. But always we prefer positive value. So the value of n is 20. Now what was the question? How many number of terms of the progression make the sum 540? What you write? Therefore, how many number of terms? 20 number of terms. 20
Plus
number of terms make the sum 540. That's our final answer. I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at your students. The next question, number 7. In an AP, the ratio of the first term and common difference is 3:2 and the sum of first 26 terms is 1456. Find the AP and also find which term of the progression is 62. Okay, look at here. In an AP, ratio means is 2. Ratio of first term, that is A, to the first term and common difference, that is A is to D. The ratio of first term and common difference is equals to, excuse me, 3 is to 2. The ratio of the first term and common difference A is to D is equals to 3 is to 2. Next, sum of first 26 terms S26 is equals to 1456. Find the AP. AP means standard form. A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. And also find which term of the progression is 62. Means which term n value we have to find where nth term is 62. Somewhere we are getting 62. They are asking which term is this. So somewhere means that is the last term according to this. So nth term is 62. So we have to find the value of n. Okay. Now A is to D. It's in ratio. We'll convert in proportion. A is to D can be written as A by D is equals to 3 by 2. Now, 1 minute. Cross multiply. 2 into A, 2A is equals to 3 into D, 3D. Now, we can do one thing. No. A by D is equals to 3 by 2 नो देखो बेटा वे पूरे आंसर को तुम्हें A के फॉर्म में या D के फॉर्म में लो either keep in the form of A or keep in the form of D as you wish. Now what I will do, I'll keep A as it is. I'll keep A term as it is 3 by 2 into D. I'm just only cross multiplying D here. I'm only cross multiplying D to this side. D is coming this side. A is as it is. So D into 3, 3D by 2. So A value I'm going to assume as, I'm going to consider the value of A as 3D by 2 or 3 by 2 into D. Okay. Now S26. S26 is in the form of Sn. We know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Where yes, n is 26. N is 26 by 2 into 2. What is A? A is 3 by 2D. 2A plus n is 26 minus 1. D. D value is D only. Correct, no? D value is A is 3 by 2D, no? D is D itself. Understood? बेटा समझ में आया जहां पे ये आ रहा खाली ये को हमें 3D by 2 कर को लिख रही ये we are writing as 3D by 2 D is D only. Now S26 is 1456. 2 ones are 2 threes are 13 into this 2 get cancelled 3D plus 26 minus 1 is 25D. Now 1456 divided by 13, this 13 will comes down is equals to 25 plus 3 is 28D. Got it? 28D. Now, can we cancel this term? Yes, sir. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. Remainder 1. 15. 13 ones are 13. Remainder 2. 13 twos are 26. 112. Now, 112 divided by 28 is equals to D. Again, this 28 will comes down. Am I right? Yes. Now, see, whenever you get this type of calculation, do this calculation separately. Main answer you write here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Am I right? 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 7 ones are 7 fours are. So we can directly cancel this and we can say that the value of D is 4. Am I right? Understood? Now, actually you should do below this. I am doing here. We got the value of D. Now we will get the A. We know that A is equals to 3 by 2D. So 3 by 2 into D is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 into 2 is 6. So the value of A is 6. We got A, we got D. Hence, we got the value of A and D. Now it is easy for us to find the AP. Correct? Now we can write therefore the AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. At least minimum 3 terms you show. That's enough. Minimum 3 terms we need to show. Now the value of A is 6, comma 6 plus D is 4, 6 plus 2 into 4, comma and so on. 6 comma 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 6 14 and so on. Any doubts? Understood? We got the AP. Hence we got the value of AP. Now they are telling that we have the nth term 62. If nth term is 62, if nth term is if nth term is 62, which term of this AP is 62? We have to find the value of n. Now we can say that n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where nth term is 62 is equals to a is 6 plus n we don't know minus 1, d is 4. Understood? Understood? Yeah, great. Now 62 is equals to 6 plus 4 into n 4n minus 4 ones are 4. 62 is equals to 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 4n. 62 plus 2 come this side minus 2, that is equals to 4n. Now we can say that 4n is equals to 62 minus 2 is 60. N is equals to 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 2. 20. 4 5s are 20. Now we can say that therefore the value of n is 15. The value of n is 15. Now therefore we can conclude that therefore 15th term is 62. My dear students, I hope you all have got these steps. Yeah, similar to this only. If you are going to solve your preparatory question papers, solve it. Similar to this itself, based on the similar conditions only, you have got the problems. Here we have covered all your model question papers. And this time, the chances are very high. You can expect the questions from the model paper side. That's the reason we have covered each and every question. And also we gave the idea how the questions will be asked in the exam. And also the procedure, how to solve it. If you like this video, do not forget to click the like button and also kindly comment and share your experience about our classes, materials and all the stuff. Take care. Keep watching to our channel. Promote our channel. Share our channel. So let it reach for maximum students and let they also get benefited out of Shah Sir classes. Take care. All the best. Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe. All the best.